That's more okay. Keep cool, keep cool. Ajmo. Pomoćemo, prvo crkvu. Prvo crkvu. Nemoj komentarisati ništa. Nemoj sad komentarisati, žele ništa.
Može moma da kaže sada. Mislim da novinari... Momo.
Yes, just stay in there.
And me in the name of the Alliance for Changes.
Možda u pola 3 imamo sastanak.
Hey, man.
Do you speak English? Yes. Which is the chap that we're looking after? Yeah. Who is the guy we're looking after?
I must say I was very encouraged by the freedom with which you express yourself, being in the opposition, and you have demonstrated that you had it.
Oh yeah, it comes with the territory, right? I mean,
You spent some time in Montenegro, didn't you?
to try to help them. Belongs to us. And we belong to him. Good.
We can protect the Serbs in Kosovo. Only government with credibility, with international credibility, can protect the Serbs in Kosovo. Government from Milosevic cannot protect himself. He is isolated.